Thank you for choosing the Boerboel Gravity Latch, a simple latch solution perfect for do-it-yourselfers. Our gravity latches are designed to be self-latching and easy to install. They feature a simple latch and striker system with a place to add a padlock for more security. The gravity latch kit includes one latch, one striker, and hardware. Boerboel hardware is designed for use on many different types of gates, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. So check the hardware and material you're drilling into to determine the drive type and drill size. The hardware shown in this video may be slightly different than your kit, depending on the application. Gather the tools you'll need before you get started: a drill with an appropriate size drill bit, an appropriate drive bit, a level, a tape measure, a pencil, and safety glasses. Let's get started. First, make sure that the hinges are fully installed and the gate is aligned. Place the gravity latch at the desired height and double-check for fit. Place the striker on the gate and mark pilot holes using the screw holes as a guide. Pre-drill the holes using the appropriate drill bit. Then install the striker on the gate. Place the latch catch on the post and align it with the striker. Mark the pilot holes using the screw holes as a guide. Pre-drill the holes using the appropriate drill bit and install the latch catch. For more information or to download written instructions for the Boerboel Gravity Latch, visit boerboelgatesystems.com.